Today it's the 23rd of June 2022. We have Gesterbynpolku. Gesterby stigen Forstekes A here in Gesterby. Kirkkonummi Kyrkslätt in Helsingfors region, Uusimman in Finland with 8 floors. It's built in 1973 and it's only 50 years old in next year, 2023, and it will be inspected again. And this number is 30 to 96. It's coming down.
But it's a bit mended by police.
Is it gonna use it?
Yeah.
It's one right or?
Yeah, probably.
Was the one who cooked? Was it the other one took the stairs? Maybe.
Yeah.
Shall we go to the Gesterby?
Yeah.
That's it.
That's